Good morning students. Today date is 4th of October 2021 and we are going to do worksheet number 21, classification of polygon and its diagonals. So classification, you all know, it means we are going to study different classes of different types of polygons. So first we will read about different type of polygons, then we will know about its diagonals. Okay, dear students, we will learn how to classify the polygons. What are the diagonals of polygons and how can we find out the diagonals of polygons? Look at the pictures. These are the examples of polygons. You are already familiar with these shapes. You can observe the sides and vertices of the polygons. So the classification of polygons are done on the basis of sides or vertices. For example, polygon having 3 sides and 3 vertices is known as triangle, and polygon having 4 sides and 4 vertices is known as quadrilateral. Actually, tri means 3. So 3 angles, it means it is a triangle having 3 sides, and quadru means 4. So having 4 sides is polygon, is quadrilateral. Okay. So name of polygon is quadrilateral. This is the shape, a closed figure, because polygon means a closed figure made up of only line segments. So you can see this is a closed figure made up of 4 sides, so it is a quadrilateral. And real life example is given. You can have many more examples. You can have like kaju ki barfi or different types of sweets. Okay. Then what else is in square, rectangle, your box, top of box, ludo board, carom board, or are quadrilateral only. Then pentagon, penta means 5, so having 5 sides. This is an example in football. You can see this shape, pentagon. Okay. So polygon having 5 sides and 5 vertices is pentagon, and so on. Diagonals of a polygon. Now what is diagonal? We are going to study about it. What is diagonal? So this is a line segment joining the 2 non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. Now let's understand what does it mean. It is a line segment joining the 2 non-consecutive. Consecutive means beta साथ वाले. Like A and B are consecutive vertices. दोनों साथ में हैं. A and D are consecutive vertices. ये दोनों भी साथ में हैं. But non-consecutive कौन से हुए? A and C. ये दोनों दूर दूर हैं. तो when we are going to join A and C like this. Okay. If I am going to join A and C, so this is a diagonal. This is a diagonal. Similarly, B and D. If I am going to join this B and D with scale like this, this is a diagonal. So in quadrilateral, how many diagonals we are having? We are having just 2 diagonals. Remaining all sides are already joined. So these 2 are diagonals. Similarly in pentagon, P and Q. These are now consecutive sides, consecutive vertices. दोनों एक साथ हैं बिल्कुल बेटा. अब नॉन कंसेक्यूटिव कौन से हैं? दिस इज ऑल्सो कंसेक्यूटिव, P and T. दिस P and S are non consecutive. P and R are non consecutive. If I am going to join P and S like this, so this is one diagonal. Similarly, if I am going to join P and R, this is another diagonal. So 1 and 2. Now T, S is consecutive. इसके साथ में ही है तो consecutive है. Now T and R, these are non consecutive. ऐसे T और P साथ में है बेटा तो consecutive है, पहले से ही join है, ये join नहीं है. तो अगर हम इसको join कर दें बेटा, T and R को if I am joining T and R, I am getting one more diagonal. Similarly, if I am joining Q and T, if I am joining Q with T, मैं Q और T को ज्वाइन कर दूँ बेटा तो एक और डायगोनल मुझे मिल रहा है ये. तो कितने हो गए? 3 and 4. सिमिलरली एस एंड क्यू, ये भी नॉन कंसेक्यूटिव हैं, दोनों दूर दूर हैं, साथ में नहीं है, इसको भी हम ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. सो वन मोर डायगोनल आई एम हैविंग, एक और डायगोनल मिल गया बेटा मुझे 5. सो टोटल 5 डायगोनल्स हो गए इसके. क्वाड्रिलेटरल के 2 हो गए और पेंटागन के कितने हो गए? 5 हो गए. लेट्स सी व्हाट इज गिवन इन द वर्कशीट. Look at the pentagon. Okay, look at this pentagon. Already we have done this thing. Sides of pentagon. By joining all consecutive vertices, we get sides of polygon. जो consecutive हैं बेटा, साथ साथ में उनको आप join करते हो तो हमें क्या मिलते हैं? Sides मिल जाते हैं. जैसे A and B, like A and B are consecutive vertices. इनको join किया तो we get one side of the pentagon. So AB, BC, CD, DE, EA. These 5 are the sides of pentagon. And diagonal, by joining all non-consecutive vertices, we get the diagonals of the polygon. Already we have done, like A को C से मिला दिया, A को D से, then D को B से, C को E से. So we are having these. The net inside it is the of diagonals. Now diagonals of the polygons. Now it's given triangle. This is the shape of triangle. You all know 3 sides are there and क्योंकि सारे ही कंसेक्यूटिव हैं, कोई ऐसा नहीं है वर्टेक्स जो ज्वाइन ना हो वर्टिसेस. नो 2 वर्टिसेस आर देयर विच आर नॉट ज्वाइन. सो नंबर ऑफ डायगोनल्स इज 0. इन क्वाड्रिलेटरल वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन 4 साइड्स आर देयर. आई हैव ऑलरेडी शोन यू एंड वी गॉट 2 डायगोनल्स. सो इन क्वाड्रिलेटरल वी गॉट 2. इन पेंटागन 5 sides are there, we get 5 diagonals. In hexagon the table is given, I am just reading the table. 6 sides are there and 9 diagonals are there. In heptagon it is given 7 sides are there and 14 diagonals. Octagon, like octopus, 8 legs. Similarly octagon having 8 sides and it is having 20 diagonals. Now it's quite difficult to remember it. हर बार आप ड्रॉ करके तो नहीं देखोगे बेटा. So one easy method is there. We are having a formula for calculating the number of diagonals. The formula is n minus 3 by 2. This is the formula for number of diagonals, where n is the number of sides. Like first I am doing for quadrilateral. Quadrilateral में बेटा कितनी sides हैं? Quadrilateral में n is equal to 4. n is equal to 4. So diagonals, how many diagonals will be there? So formula is n minus 3 by 2. So in place of n I am writing 4. 4 sides हैं, 4 minus 1 by 2. So sorry, 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 by 2. So 4 minus 3 is 1 by 2. 2 2s are 4. So we are having just 2 diagonals. Already we have done. One more case I am doing for pentagon beta. We are just verifying the formula whether it's correct or wrong. So n is equal to 5. So number of diagonals I am going to find. Diagonals का number find out कर रही हूँ बेटा. So this will be n minus 3 by 2. So here n is equal to 5. So 5 minus 3 by 2. So 5 minus 3 is 2 divided by 2. 2 get cancelled. We are having 5. One more we can do like for octagon. Let's do for octagon. For octagon. Octagon means 8 sides. So n is equal to 8. So diagonals कितने हो गए बेटा हमारे? n minus 3 by 4. अब तक तो आपको फॉर्मूला भी याद होगा. दिस इज द थर्ड टाइम वी आर यूजिंग इट. और जितनी बार आप फॉर्मूला लिखोगे, यूज़ करोगे बेटा, उतनी जल्दी आपको रिमेंबर हो जाएगा. यू आर गोइंग टू रिमेंबर इट. सो n इज इक्वल टू 8 माइनस 3 बाई 2. दोनों n के प्लेस पे हम 8 रख रहे हैं बेटा. 3 इन इट्स ओन प्लेस, सिमिलरली 2. सो 8 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 8 माइनस 3 इज 5 डिवाइडेड बाई 2. 2 4s are 8 and 4 5s is 20. So 20 is the number of diagonals. Okay. So this is the formula. Remember it very carefully. n minus 3 by 2 to find the number of diagonals of a polygon. So this is what it was there in the worksheet. Now some questions are there. Draw the following figures and diagonals. Name its sides and diagonals too. So आपको स्क्वायर ड्रॉ करना हेक्सागन, उसके साइड्स को नेम करिए बेटा लाइक दिस, ओके, एंड डायगोनल्स को भी. सिमिलरली सेकेंड इज हाउ मेनी डायगोनल्स आर देयर इन द फॉलोइंग फिगर्स. सो यू कैन यूज द फॉर्मूला n minus 3 by 2 and you can find the number of diagonals. Okay, so do it in your maths notebook and send it for correction. One more thing, जो वर्कशीट्स आ रही हैं बेटा उन्हें भी बहुत अच्छी तरह समझिए और भेजिए चेक करने के लिए. डू इट इन योर नोटबुक and wash your hands with soap and water regularly. Keep sanitizing your hands. Always wear the mask. Follow social distancing. Okay, thank you.